Hey everybody, welcome back to video 2 for Tubespy. In this video we're going to cover the actual detailed operation of the software and how you can use it to start making some money. So the first things first, we're going to go up to the toolbar here and we're going to click on similar keywords. Now the similar keywords tool is actually one that you're going to use to find keywords. So if you already have a keyword in mind, you can skip this part, but if not, you can use this for some great ideas. So let's say that I wanted to get into the World of Warcraft niche. World of Warcraft is abbreviated just WOW or WoW. And so I'm going to type in WoW. And one of the biggest selling items in that niche happens to be gold guides. So I'm just going to type in WoW gold guides. And I'm going to select 100 results. I want to try to get back 100 different keywords. Select OK. And the software pulled back 85 similar keywords to WoW Gold Guides. So now I can just look through the keywords and kind of find out, if there's something in there that interests me. It's going to give me the broad, exact, and phrase, search counts. Now, me personally, I like to use exact. It's just, the numbers aren't as big, but I get a more realistic expectation of how many views my video might get if I rank on YouTube. But the important thing to keep in mind here is, if you rank on YouTube, these numbers, are what you're going to be basing your views off of, but you can also rank on Google. So, it's a great idea to check the Google keyword tool as well, so that you can get a big picture, so to speak, of how many searches these keywords are actually getting. And the nice thing is, as you go down the list of keywords, you can see that some of these do not have a video on the front page of Google yet. So what I like to do is we can actually organize this list here by clicking on this. Oops. And it's going to basically bring up, looks like about 10 to 20 videos, or excuse me, keywords that don't have a video on page 1. And so I can go through these keywords and see which one looks like a good keyword to me. And just because I know the niche, I know that Zygor Guides, is in a really popular World of Warcraft guide, and I can see there's no video on page 1, so that might be a keyword that I would want to target and make a video for it and get it ranked. Okay, so let's do this. Let's take a look. We've got Zygor Guides here. We're going to use that as our keyword. Let's jump over to the YouTube Analyzer and type in Zygor Guides. And now this is going to go out and analyze YouTube itself, and we can select from anywhere from 10 to 1,000 results. I'm going to leave it at 50, which is the default. You see there, it takes just a few seconds, and what it's done is went to YouTube and pulled back the top 50 videos for Zygor Guides. Now remember, Zygor Guides isn't getting a whole lot of search volume on YouTube itself. When these numbers say 0, it's not necessarily 0. The keyword probably is being searched, but there wasn't enough data on YouTube's keyword tool to give us any solid figures. But as we look through the videos here, there's a few things that we want to pay special attention to. We want to look at the title that the video is using, and remember, you can move these columns left and right, so if you need to see more, you can move it over. If you need to see less, shrink it back. This of course is the URL of the video, so if you're wanting to shoot a video but you're not really sure what to say or what your video should look like, you can just click on the URL and it'll open the video up for you, and you can kind of watch somebody else and grab some ideas that way. Shows the page rank of the video, which this being a 0, that's a good sign that you could probably outrank them. The YouTube rating, the number of likes and dislikes. So you can see here this video is not real popular. Gives you the description, so that when you do your own video you can kind of model what they're already using that's working. Now the description link is extremely important, because if you don't want to do your own videos, or even if you are doing your own videos already, a quick way to make some money is to actually use somebody else's hard work. And basically we call that leverage. You can leverage other video creators' hard work to make money, and basically it doesn't take hardly any effort on your part at all. All you need to do is look for videos that do not have a link in the description, and to do that you can just click this, and it's going to basically reorganize everything and show you the videos that don't have a link. And what will happen is if you right click the video here, you can send a message. You see here, you can send a message right to the owner of that video, and we're going to give you a template so that you know exactly what to say so that you can try to rent or even buy those videos with those high view counts. Alright, but moving along, of course we have the number of views, the number of comments, the number of people who have favorited that video, the date the video was published, the tags. So again, if you're trying to get ranked and you're not sure what to use for tags, go ahead and copy what the top ranked videos are doing. You got the category and then of course the username. Now once you've contacted the user, it's a great idea to go ahead and check them off so that you can keep track of who you have and have not sent messages to. Now another thing that you can use that's going to help you to rank your own videos is this tool down at the bottom. It's going to calculate the averages for the number of results you choose. Now you can change this to less than 10 or more than 10 results, but we highly recommend you leave it set at 10 because what that is doing is analyzing the front page for you, and the software has its own algorithm that it uses to determine whether or not it's going to be easy, medium, or hard to rank for that keyword. So it pulls back all these averages and gives you your ranking right here. So this keyword would be easy to rank for. Now if you want to analyze the backlinks of your competitors, you can simply select the video over here, right click it, and show backlinks. And that's going to pull back, this video has 8,042 backlinks, and that's going to pull back by default 50 URLs where those backlinks are located at. If you want to get more backlinks or more URLs, you certainly can. What you'll need to do is go ahead and first click on the URL and then go ahead and copy from your browser, come back to Tubespy, select the video backlinks option, and put the URL in the box. Now I'm going to change this from 50 to 500. And it's going to take it just a second. And actually pull back, this time it was able to pull back 100 of those links. So just like other keyword softwares out there, it's not going to be able to find every single link, but it's going to find a good portion of them, and you can use those links to try to reverse engineer what your competitors are doing and basically overtake them in the rankings. So that is really, in a nutshell, that's what Tubespy is all about. Now remember, you can save your project, you can export your projects, and if you want to filter the data, especially on this YouTube Analyzer screen, you can actually go ahead and set some filters up. You just click the button up here. You select the column that you're wanting to filter. Whoops, first select your plus button. Select the column you're wanting to filter by. So let's say that we wanted to filter by views. We would select views, and then we only want to show videos that have views greater or equal to, let's say, 10,000. And let's go OK. So now it's sorted through all those videos, and the only ones that remain are videos that have more than 10,000 views. If we want to clear the filter, we simply click Clear Filter. It's going to bring them all back for us. Alright, so very, very simple stuff. Remember, you can move all the columns. You can sort the columns simply by clicking on them from highest to lowest. And don't forget, you can right click to show backlinks and also send messages. So that is how Tubespy works, and we're very excited to hear about you guys' results with the software, and let us know if there's anything you'd like to see in future updates. We will be updating it for you, so we'd love to hear from you. So until next time, thanks for checking out the video.